So this is Parabi and Jahidul Islam and me. We are teammate and we have a big digital marketing agency and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work. So at first I want to introduce our agency to you, ma'am. Can I share my screen?
Mm-hmm.
Sure. Thank you. Okay, ma'am. This is our website, fsdfreelancer.com. In this website, you will find all of our contact informations and all about us. And if you scroll down, then you can see my picture is attached here, and I am CEO and founder of this agency. And we have lot of work we have previously performed. If you go to our client meeting sections, then you will find there are a lot of client we are previously worked on. And if you go to next, then you will find more and more buyer meeting we have performed. As you see, these guys from USA, these guys from China, these guys from USA, these guys from France, these guys from Czech Republic, and maximum of our buyer from USA. That is all about our work process and our buyer meeting. And if you go to our team sections, then you will find there are a lot of freelancer working in our team. And maximum there are you will find 300 plus freelancer working in our team, and they are working beside our agency. They are working on Fiverr and Upwork also. And if you go next, then you will find more and more freelancer working in our team. So Mr. Jahidul Islam is one of them. And we have a YouTube channel, ma'am. This is our YouTube channel. On this channel we have gained 196K subscriber and uploaded 174 videos. And if you go to our videos popular sections, then you can see I'm showing you. If you go to our videos popular sections, then you can see 1.5 million views, 8 lakh 15K views, 5 lakh 37K views, 5 lakh 11K views, and many more. And all of the views we have gained organically with the YouTube SEO. So that is about our agency, ma'am. So recently, our team member Jahidul Islam has audited your YouTube channel and found some problem. And if you can fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow. So if you are interested, then we will go ahead, ma'am.
You can go ahead. I would like to see more about the SEO and how that
Okay.
and
So, ma'am,
how that works. So yeah, just you
okay,
can go ahead.
okay, ma'am.
Pros for a minute. I said you can go ahead and show me more about the SEO optimization. And really what I'm interested in is, because
Okay.
I have done it before for a couple of episodes. It's not new to me. I think show me what the plan is and your price points. That's all I'm interested in. This meeting, I can't stay too long for the meeting because I have another meeting I'm jumping on. So if I can see everything in like 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, I hope that's enough for me to see what I need to see, and then I'll
Okay.
get back to you on whether I want to move forward. Thank you.
Okay. So, ma'am, for YouTube SEO, we optimize your video title, tags, and descriptions, and we will optimize your video meta descriptions, and we will research high volume rank text for your videos, and we also optimize your video title, tags, and descriptions. And when you put that metrics, then your video will go on top, and when someone search related to your video, then your video will get more organic views. So that is our work process. So basically, we optimize your video meta descriptions, and we will research high volume rank tag for your video. High volume rank tag means which tag has high search volume but competition is low. That type of tags we will research for you. And for YouTube SEO, we have two packages. One is weekly package and another is monthly package. In our weekly package, we will optimize you 10 video and it costs $120. And another package is monthly. In our monthly package, we will optimize you 30 video and it costs $300. And for starting the work, we have two methods. One is you can give your channel access to us as editor or editor limited, then we can do everything from our site. But if you do not want to give your channel access, then you just send your video link to us, then we will optimize from our site and we will make a report sheet and we will hand over to you. Then you just copy and paste by yourself to your video. So these the two method to start the work. And for getting payment and our payment system, when you hire us, you have to pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And for receiving payment, we support PayPal, we support Remitly, we support Western Union. So, which package do you want to start with?
I'll have to think more about this and get back. I was chatting with him on Instagram, so I'll think about it and get back to you folks. But um, so you're saying your weekly package, say that again. The weekly package is 10
Videos,
um
$120.
100 what? $120.
Yeah.
Oh.
So
So
my
if I was
suggestion is,
doing
yeah,
mm-hmm.
my suggestion is if you take one or two video SEO, then you will not get so much result and you can't judge our work. My suggestion is at least you can take our weekly package for 10 videos and judge our work. And if you are satisfied, then you can hire for monthly one. And I assure you that you would be get results within 1 to 2 weeks, because SEO is not instant views. SEO is an organic process, so you will not get instant views. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. What of if I wanted to do just 5 videos? Because I rather do and I still have to discuss this with my partner, right? So I rather do just 5 videos. What would that is that something you can do? Because I haven't used you guys before, I'm not I don't know about just giving you 10
Okay,
videos
okay.
and then watching that on I'd rather try with maybe 5 videos, see what comes out of that. If it's something that I'm
Okay, okay.
comfortable with, then
Okay,
fine.
no problem, no problem, ma'am. No problem. At first, you can take our 5 videos. 5 videos is only $60. On a half of 10 videos. 10 videos 120 and 5 video is $60. You take 5 video as your service and charge our work. Then if you are satisfied, then you can go for a weekly or monthly. No problem.
Okay, I guess I'll get back to you. I saw his link, and in his link though I saw, not to say that this means I saw whether it was his Fiverr link.
Yeah, obviously.
Um,
We have Fiverr link, we have PayPal. If you want to
but
order
on his
on Fiverr,
Fiverr, it's one episode is $10. I guess I was thinking 5 episodes would be $50. It doesn't make much of a difference to me, I guess. I will think about how long does it take. So if I do give you um like send the videos your way for you to optimize, how long will it take you
5 days,
to
maximum 5 days.
is there any way that can be shorter, or that's the best you can give?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, 5 days is
yeah,
your best time. Okay.
yeah.
All right, that's fine. Thank you so much. I think I will just have to, so if I was going to go ahead, I'll just reach out to, I think I've been chatting with him, and I guess I'll reach out to him. If you can send me links to videos that you've worked on, right? And that we I can see that those have high viewership, or if you have maybe access to your website, or have a link to your website where I can see
Okay, okay.
work that you have done, and that this has actually produced these results as opposed to just what you're telling me. I think that will go a long way in also discussing with my partner as well.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem. Everything will send to your Gmail. And if you have any further questions or anything to know, just inform us. And
Okay.
if you take decision and when you reach a decision, then inform us. Then we'll start working for you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. I appreciate it. Have a good one.
Yeah. Bye bye.